watch adventure, Juneau, Alaska with Tongass Tides Eco Tours.
So we do know how to get people out of the water. We are trained to do that, but you're going to be miserable. It's not going to be fun for you.
We got our safety brief and soon after started out. We were on a 3-hour tour on the waters around Juneau. The boat we were on was immaculate. We were super excited to find some whales.
Here to find it, we come up empty-handed every time. Every time. Some may think our quest is petty, but I got some stories to tell you if you let me. Don't always see what we came to see, but there's always plenty of fossils underneath.
I will warn, sometimes finding whales may take some time, so be patient. Our guides were amazing and tried their hardest to make sure we had an epic adventure. Everyone kept an eye out for a whale spout.
Eagerly reaching for the sun.
Before you know it, our charter found them. There's something about being in the last frontier, searching for whales on calm waters with snowy mountains for a backdrop. Cool opportunity here in Alaska to go whale watching. And Juneau at that. Gorgeous place to be right now. The water's calm, no rain. There's whale spouts all around out here. We were extremely fortunate to see a whale breach on this tour. Seeing these large creatures break the surface with their power was an experience like no other. One was extremely playful in the water, and we counted 4 breaches roughly. These whales were in their feeding grounds. During the summer, they migrate north to feed off the plankton and other organisms that feed off the minerals deposited by all of the glaciers. In the winter, they travel south to Mexico and Hawaii to breed. After the breaches, we got to experience something that happens very rarely. As our engines were turned off, a pod of humpbacks started to make their way right at us. I was using my DSLR camera and was having a hard time keeping the shots steady due to the waves and the whales moving quicker than expected. The gentle giants passed our bow and kept going on their path. The beauty of these creatures in the water against the landscape made the entire scene magical. Everyone thoroughly was shocked they got to witness so many epic whale encounters this day. Tongass Tides Eco Tour Company really made today special for us, making sure we got to see whales. The entire first half of the tour we saw nothing. With the sun sinking lower, our tour guide started to take us back to the marina.
We got mugged. We wasn't.
By a group of whales?
It's called mugging.
Oh, Pete mugged us.
Yeah.
Oh, since I got so close.
Before making it back to the marina, we had a clear shot of the Mendenhall Glacier in view before us. Getting back, we were assisted off the boat and driven back to our destination. Our tour guide William took these photos, and I wanted to give him credit for the awesome job he did taking them.